Today I'm going to show you what you get in the Who is Sleeping story bag. So I've posted some photos already, but I just thought it'd be nice to show you on video. So you will get a bag like this, a nice cotton bag, your story bag. Inside this one you have Who is Sleeping. Now this one is lovely. It's got loads of flaps to open so you find out who's sleeping. Lots of bright colours to get your little one's attention. Like the frog underneath there. So let's have a look at some of the animal figures you get in the bag. These ones all come wrapped. So like this, you'll get them wrapped up. This is an extra activity for you to do with your little one. So to put them out and your little one can start to explore and try and pull up the sides, and you can talk about unwrapping. So that one, I've got an extra one to show you, is the owl. So you get an owl. You also get this lovely crocodile and a frog. And then there's two more. So you've got this massive polar bear and a little fish. So the beauty of this story bag is that a lot of the animals are in other books that you might already have. So, for example, the owl, these often come up in stories about bedtime and going to sleep. And the frog, for example, comes up in the story Dear Zoo, which I know a lot of people have. So you can use them with other stories as well. The last thing you'll find in your bag is this leaflet, and that tells you how you can join the Little Puffin Signing online group to learn the signs for your story bag.